Trading requires that you have an edge in the market. And in this video, I will show you a simple way to develop your edge using the 3-day cycle. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. Keep an open mind because this is unorthodox and it's unique. So let's jump into the video. All right, so the 3-day cycle operates on a very basic understanding of breakouts and failed breakouts. So what I mean by this is that during the week, as the week evolves, it starts from one step, and then as it evolves, it gives you the direction of where price wants to go. So how does that look like? Now, we will start on a Monday, and we will just draw these lines to represent the days of the week, like that. Now, when you come to the screen on Monday, that is day 1 of the 3-day cycle. And on Monday, you don't trade. All you are doing is you are letting the market set the opening range. And so the high and the low set on Monday is also the high and the low of the week. Now, on Tuesday, you can have a signal day, and this is where now basic support and resistance applies. So on Monday, the opening range is like a consolidation, and we all know price wants to do 3 things. So on Tuesday, price might break out and close outside of the range as a successful breakout. This is a strong continuation signal, and it's telling you that when you come to the screen on Wednesday, there is a very high probability that price will continue in the direction of the trend. Another scenario is price breaks out, then closes back inside of the range. Now, this is the complete opposite of a successful breakout. This is a reversal signal, and it's telling you that on Wednesday, expect price to continue in the direction of the failed breakout. And then there will be days where price will break out and then just consolidate. So the 3-day cycle guides you to trade on the 3rd day. So the first day is usually like the landmark. The second day is usually a signal day. And then the 3rd day is the trading day. So let's look at a couple of examples before I show you how to use this simple concept to catch high quality trades and have sniper exits. So we will use the 1 hour on Euro CHF. And these lines, these dotted lines, they show us when the day begins and when the day ends. And we will start on a Monday, so last week Monday. And what we will do is we will draw the opening range on Monday. Then Tuesday breaks out and closes back inside of the range. So this is Monday. So meaning this is Tuesday. This day is Tuesday, failed breakout, which is telling us that there is a very high likelihood we will see a reversal on Wednesday. Wednesday breaks out but closes outside of the range as a breakout, which is telling us that on Thursday, on this other day, we will see price continuing in the direction of the breakout. Friday breaks out, closes outside of the range. Where do you think price wants to go? Price obviously wants to continue in the direction of the breakout. So price continues breaking out and then closes back inside of the range. Now we have a failed breakout. And a failed breakout is a reversal signal. So let's see the next day. So on this day, we expect price to continue going down. And what happens? Price continues going down. And how does it close? It closes as a failed breakout. So now this is another Monday, another week. So this is the high, this is the low. Tuesday breaks out, closes back inside of the range. So on Wednesday, it's still forming, but there's a very high probability price might buy. And that is what I would be looking to do. Let's go a bit further and look at more examples. So we start on a Monday. All right, so Monday is here. So that is the low. Yes, that is the low, that is the high. Notice how Tuesday breaks out, closes back inside of the range. So obviously, on the next day, you would be looking for an opportunity to continue with the direction of the trend. And since it breaks out and closes as a breakout, then obviously the next day will continue going down. And then the next day closes as a breakout, which means expect the next day to continue going down. Price goes down, then comes back in and closes as a failed breakout on Friday, which means expect Monday to continue going up. Monday closes as a breakout, so expect Tuesday to continue going up. And it's as simple as that. Now, you have a very simple knowledge of where the market wants to go. So how do you capitalize this in the live market so that you can take entries? Now, when it comes to entries, I like to use the 5-minute time frame. And I like to come to the screen at specific times during the market open. So of any session, the market open usually has volume. And for example, let's start here. This is the London session. London session begins at 3, ends at 5. That's my timing window. And what we see is that we have this whole area here where price is consolidating. So we have this one touch, second touch, that touch. And the moment price breaks out, this is usually the entry to continue with the direction of the trend. Now, if it fails, you also have an opportunity to go the other way. So if it breaks out and then stops you out, if it breaks out to the upside, then this is your entry and your stop loss is below breakout candle, then you will be targeting a 1:3, a 1:4. However, you need to be in flow with the market so that you don't get stopped out. And you use the same breakout and failed breakout system. So if you get in and price continues to break out in the direction of your trade, then where do you think price wants to go? Obviously, price wants to continue in the direction. Same thing, next candle is a breakout candle. Next candle is a bullish candle. Next candle is a bullish candle. If you have not taken your profits up here, then you see a bearish candle. A bearish candle is a red flag because it's not going in your direction. And if the next candle is a breakout candle, exit that position because it's showing you clearly where price wants to go. And if you do not take your profits, most of the time you will get stopped out. If you want me to help you understand this strategy, then check out the link in the description. I work with nurses. So if you're a nurse, welcome to the team. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments so that I know which videos to create next.